Good morning. I am Suni, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Now I am going to teach the topic Cauchy's integral formula in the course MA 8251 Engineering Mathematics 2. The course outcome is after completing the course, the students able to apply Cauchy's integral formula for evaluating real integral. The statement is if f of z is analytic inside on a simple closed curve C of a simply connected region R, and if A is any point interior to C, then f of A equal to 1 by 2 pi I integral over C f of z by z minus A dz, or integral over C f of z by z minus A dz equal to 2 pi I into f of A. The integration around C being taken in the positive direction. So for higher derivatives, the formula be integral over C f of z divided by z minus A the whole square dz equal to 2 pi I into f dash of A integral over C f of z by z minus A the whole cube dz equal to 2 pi I into f double dash of A, and in general integral over C f of z by z minus A the whole power n dz equal to 2 pi I into f power n minus 1 A. Now using this technique we are going to solve some problems. The first one, evaluate integral over C z plus 1 divided by z minus 3 into z minus 1 where C is mod z equal to 2. The first we are going to find out the poles. The pole is nothing but the value of the z that makes the denominator 0. So if we give z as 3 means we get the denominator 0. So 3 is one pole, and for this also if we give 1 the denominator 0. So 3 and 1 are the poles. Now we want to check the poles are inside or outside for a given curve. Our given curve is mod z equal to 2. So in this curve we substitute the first pole 3 in the left side, replace z by 3, we get modulus of 3. Modulus of 3 is 3, it is greater than this 2. So 3 is outside the curve. And consider 1 and substitute in the given curve mod z equal to 2 is replace z by 1, we get mod 1. Mod 1 value is 1, it is less than 2, so 1 lies inside C. So we get one pole z equal to 1 lies inside C and z equal to 3 lies outside C. So for applying the Cauchy integral formula, the integration should be in the form of some f of z divided by z minus A. So for making the same format, we have to take down the given question in this f of z by z minus A form. For that we take the outside pole to the numerator. So z minus 3, here 3 is the outside pole, so we take the term z formula. So integral of z plus 1 into divided by z minus 3 by z minus 1 dz equal to 2 pi I into f of A. So here A is 1, so it is f of 1. Now we are going to find f of 1 value. It is from f of z. F of z is nothing but the term, it is in the numerator, that is z plus 1 divided by z minus 3. In this we replace z by 1, we get 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus 3, that is minus 1. Now we substitute f of 1 by minus 1, we get minus 2 pi I. Now consider the problem using Cauchy integral formula. Evaluate integral over C sin pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 2 into z minus 3 dz, where C is the circle mod z equal to 4. So first we find the poles for a given question. So for that we set the denominator 0. So we get z value was 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are the poles. Next we check the two poles are inside or outside. So substitute the first pole 2 to the given curve mod z equal to 4. So replace z by 2, we get mod 2. Mod 2 value is 2. It is less than 4. So 2 lies inside the given curve. And consider the next pole 3 and substitute to this curve. We get modulus of 3. Modulus of 3 value is 3. That is also less than 4. So both the two poles are lies inside C. Therefore, we have to split the given integral. For that, consider the term 1 by z minus 2 into z minus 3. Using partial fraction technique, we have to split this as a by z minus 2 plus b by z minus 3. Now take the LCM, and the LCM is z minus 2 into z minus 3. Then cross multiply, we get a into z minus 3 plus b into z minus 2. So for the both left and right side, we cancel the denominator and write the numerator term only, that is 1 equal to a into z minus 3 plus b into z minus 2. In the next step, we want to find out the values of the constants a and b. For that, we give the value for z to make any one of the term as 0. So for that, I am giving here 2 as 3. This term 0, we get the value of b. And similarly, if we give the value of z as 2 here, we get the value of the constant a. So give z equal to 3, we get b value as 1. And similarly, give z as 2, we get a value as minus 1. Substitute a and b values, we get 1 by z minus 2 into z minus 3 equal to minus 1 by z minus 2 plus 1 by z minus 3. Now multiply this with sin pi z square plus cos pi z square and take integral over c. For left and right side, we get integral over c sin pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 2 into z minus 3 dz equal to, the first term become minus integral over c sin pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 2 dz plus, for the second one, integral over c sin pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 3 into dz. Now we apply the Cauchy integral formula for both the two terms because it is in the form of integral over c f of z by z minus a. So the value of the first integral becomes 2 pi I into f of a, that is f of 2, and the second integral becomes 2 pi I into f of 3. Now we are going to find the values of f of 2 and f of 3. For that, we write f of z, that is nothing but the term present in the numerator, that is sin pi z square plus cos pi z square. In this, for getting f of 2, we replace z by 2, we get sin 4 pi plus cos 4 pi. Sin 4 pi value 0, cos 4 pi is 1. Now similarly, f of 3, we replace z by 3, we get sin 9 pi plus cos 9 pi. Sin 9 pi value is 0 and cos 9 pi value is minus 1. Now substitute the two values here. The first one, f of 2 is replaced as 1 and f of 3 is replaced as minus 1. We get minus 2 pi I minus 2 pi I, that is minus 4 pi I. Consider the next problem. Evaluate integral over c z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5, where c is the circle modulus of z plus 1 plus I equal to 2. So first up, we want to find out the pole. For that, we set the denominator as 0, that is z square plus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. Now the formula for getting z is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. For substituting the values of a, b, c, we get the value of z as minus 1 plus or minus 2i. Now we express the denominator as the linear factor of this values of z, that is z minus first value minus 1 plus 2i into z minus second value minus 1 minus 2i. Now we check the two poles are inside or outside for a given curve modulus of z plus 1 plus I equal to 2. For that, consider the first pole minus 1 plus 2i and substitute it in the given curve. Replace z by minus 1 plus 2i plus 1 plus I. So this becomes modulus of 3i. Modulus of 3i value is 3. It is greater than 2, so lies outside. Now consider the next pole, that is minus 1 minus 2i, and substitute to the given curve. So replace z by minus 1 minus 2i plus 1 plus I. We get minus I. Modulus minus I value is 1. It is less than 2. So it lies inside the given curve. So for applying the Cauchy integral formula, the question is in the form of integral over C f of z by z minus a. For that we take the outside pole to the numerator. The outside pole is minus 1 plus 2i. So take minus 1 plus 2i term to the numerator. So our integral becomes integral over C z plus 4 divided by z minus 1 plus 2i divided by z minus 1 minus 2i dz. By Cauchy integral formula, the value is 2 pi I into f of a. A is nothing but minus 1 minus 2i. The next step we want to find f of minus 1 minus 2i. For that we write f of z, that is the numerator term, z plus 4 divided by z minus 1 plus 2i. In this we replace z by minus 1 minus 2i. We get minus 1 minus 2i plus 4 divided by minus 1 minus 2i plus 1 minus 2i. We get the value 3 minus 2i by minus 4i. Now substitute this value in this place. So we get 2 pi I into 3 minus 2i by minus 4i, that is pi by 2 into 2i minus 3. Now some important questions in this topics are. Thank you.